There are times I found it hard to sleep at night. We are living through such troubled time, and every child that reaches out for someone to hold, for one moment they become my own. And how can I pretend that I don't know what's going on when every second, every minute, another soul is gone? And I believe that in my life I will see, oh yeah, and into hopelessness of giving love, of suffering. If we all stand together this one time, then no one will get left behind. To stand up for love, to stand up and hear we sing. Stand up.